well rested and everything. So for you right now, is there any music that you are working on?
Yeah, so my album came out last year. It was called Sorry I'm Late, I Didn't Want to Be Here. So that came out last year. So I'm
Hmm.
working on an album called The Flowers for next year. So like a 2 year difference. And then in between uh we have a me and McFly have a joint, like I was mentioning earlier, we have a joint project coming out think December. It's a short EP. It's gonna be like 4 or 5 songs. Which is already fully recorded, honestly. Which I think we're just in the process of getting it mixed right now. But for me personally, yeah, the Flowers album is I plan on having it out by like next summer. Once again, a full length album. Probably won't do too many singles, if any. Uh, but yeah, makes a mistake mainly it. Oh, how can I forget? I have one single this year. I
Okay, because
have
your
one
mind
single.
it looks like your mind working because you're trying to fill in the gaps. I'm sitting here going like,
Yeah, I was like,
what
I'm
is
not
he
gonna.
remembering?
I got one single. Flick, flick. How can I forget? My man, it's my man Emmanuel Brown. That's another guy to
Gotcha,
check out. Emmanuel Brown.
gotcha.
Yeah, we have a song out right now called Flick, Flick. Came out like a month ago. Because um, I think we're proud.